you.
Yo, my nigga, what's up with you, boy?
What are you talking about, bro?
Good, boy?
What are you talking about, bro?
You good?
What are you talking about? Bro, what are you talking about?
Go, my boy.
You serious?
Yeah, get out of here.
Nah, what are you talking about?
That ass though. Like,
Nah,
you know
bro.
that coronavirus going around, bro. Stop playing like that.
Bro, alright, bro.
And you recording, yo? Yo, y'all gotta get out of here, son.
Nah, I ain't know that, bro.
Get that camera off of me.
Ain't know that.
I got a new pair of shades, Cartier frames, I don't know how to behave. They say I had nothing to say at the end of the day because I'm getting money all day. Steady watching on my plays, that's moving, walking, that's one of my big brother Ray. Fuck a job by feet talking crazy, walking through his block and it's raining K. Man down, man on a nigga, fan down.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Rico here, man.
And it's your boy John in here, man. Y'all see the title. We finna go into Walmart, we finna make sneeze on people.
Just gonna go run to that. We at Walmart right now, man. Let's get to it.
Why you gotta be a dick?
What are you talking about?
Why would you put on my head?
Nothing.
No, you did. Why'd you put on my head? You sneezed on my head?
Yeah,
That's
by
what you did?
accident. Yeah, I tried to get my thing.
That's respectful of you to do? No, it's not your fault, dude. How the fuck you gonna fucking sneeze on my head? Dude, how the fuck you gonna fucking sneeze on my head?
Watch your profanity.
Pass.
Next time you fucking put a hand on me, I'ma fucking rip your face off, bitch.
Made it this far in this video.
Make sure you comment your name to have a chance to win the giveaway.
Whoever's the winner, they're gonna get to choose their prize.
Let's get back to the video. Yeah, I'm in the school spots right now, bro. What do you... There's clear glue and things here. I get some clear glue. Yeah, there's clear glue here. What do you think I should get? Which one should I get her? And there's scissors too. Damn, my nose hurt, bro. What you think? This purple glue, what the hell? I've never seen that day in my life. Yeah, it's $3 though. I don't know. I don't know, bro. There's nothing here for her, bro. So, you know how she's like only in 3rd grade, so I might just get that. Should I, bro? I don't know. There's nothing else I could like try to get her. I don't know. I just don't know. Achoo!
Yo, my nigga, what's up with you, boy?
What are you talking about, bro?
Good, boy?
What are you talking about, bro?
Good?
What are you talking about? Bro, what are you talking
Go,
about?
my boy.
You serious?
Yeah, get out of here.
Nah, what are you talking about?
That ass though. Like,
Nah,
you know
bro.
that coronavirus going around, bro. Stop playing like that.
Bro, alright, bro.
And you recording, yo? Yo, y'all gotta get out of here, son.
Nah, I ain't know that, bro.
Get that camera off of me.
Ain't know that. Achoo! Oh. Damn. Did I hit you? I hit you? I'm sorry. Oof.
Cristian, a ver qué quiere. Te llamo ahora para atrás. Sí, te llamo. Hello. Ay, ¿qué fue eso? Me escupí. Oh my God.
Yo, man, thank you for
For
the
the
1K,
1K, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bangers coming to y'all all 2020, man. I hope y'all stay tuned to these next upcoming videos, man.
That's a fact, yo. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this to your auntie, your grandma, whoever. Tell them put the bell on, man. Cause we back with the big bodies.
Bangers, man.
All 2020. Stay tuned. Rico and Johnny is
Out.
Big chops, chop 'em. I mean, the niggas start running out. Red beans gon' knock 'em. Whole gang ain't running out. I'm not really with the talking. Sending me demons to your house. Fuck that, rock 'em. Staying gang time.